Invite the renewing warmth of spring into your living room with exclusive decor from the Spring Shop. Spring is the perfect time to brighten and rejuvenate your home, and we have everything from charming floral wall art to lovely springtime accents to gorgeous planters and vases that help you bring the outdoors inside. Breathe new life into your favorite spaces with natural elements like light wood, woven accents and lush greenery. The key is choosing pieces that capture the essence of the season. When it comes to entertaining, the Spring Shop has you covered. With an array of essentials like serving trays, glassware, and so much more. You'll also find inviting touches, like beautiful accent pillows that help you and your guests feel at home. Whether you're looking for a subtle spring update or a big seasonal revamp, the Spring Shop by Hobby Lobby has everything you need for your living room to bloom. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.